Rascal at the Show by Paul Jennings, illustrated by Bob Lee. "Look, Dad," said Ben, "a dragon show. Rascal will win. He is the best dragon in the world." "Give Rascal a bath," said Dad. "Then he will win best in show." Rascal did not want a bath. He ran away to play with Sniff. Sniff had fleas, lots and lots of fleas. "Look," said Ben, "Rascal has caught fleas from Sniff." "Poor Rascal," said Ben, "his tail is itchy." Rascal chewed his tail and made it sore. "He will have to go to the vet," said Dad. Rascal did not want to go to the vet. He was scared. "This bucket will stop Rascal chewing his tail," said the vet. "He looks funny," said Ben. "He will never win best in show now." Sniff came to play with Rascal. "Go away, Sniff," said Ben. "Go away, Sniff," said Ben. "You have still got fleas." So Sniff played with Bomber and Shovel and Ruff Ruff. He gave them all fleas. "Come here, Sniff," said Cherry. "I'm going to give you a bath." Sniff did not want a bath. He ran away. There were lots of dragons at the show. Sniff loved them all. He played with the big dragons and the little dragons. He played with the fat dragons and the thin dragons. Sniff played with every dragon in the show. Now all the dragons had fleas, so Sniff had to go home. Ben took Rascal to the show. "You won't win with a bucket on your head," he said. "You look silly." "Don't be so sure," said Dad. "Look." All the dragons had buckets on their heads, so Rascal did not look silly. And he won best in show.